Kia ora ko Fernando Ladrick toku papa, ko Saini Ladrick toku mama, ko Melanie Ladrick toku ingoa. These are some of first grade's goals, hopes, dreams, and aspirations taken from our home visits. To become a doctor, a police officer, a firefighter, a vet, a teacher, a gamer, a YouTuber, a soccer player. Our goals are to make new friends, complete our homework, to become strong readers and writers, to be good at math and science, to work hard, get good grades, and qualify for scholarships to further our education into college. To be ourselves and to love ourselves and others. To be independent, happy, and successful. As we continue life's journey, we know these things are attainable with a good plan and action. The song that we are about to sing is a medley of 3 songs. The last part of the medley is a song of unity, unifying our thoughts and actions, working together to achieve our goals, hopes, dreams, and aspirations. Kia ora.